Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Nginx error log alerts in Telegram. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Telegram website or open the Telegram app on your device. Search for the bot named @GroupInvitationBot in the Telegram search bar. Start a chat with the bot by clicking on it. Follow the bot's instructions to create a new group. Once the group is created, invite the bot named @botfather to your group. Send the command /newbot to @botfather to create a new bot. Follow the prompts to name your bot and receive a unique token. Copy the token provided by @botfather. Navigate to your Nginx server and open the terminal. Edit the Nginx configuration file using your preferred text editor. Add the following configuration line to enable error logging: error_log/var/log/nginx/error.log. Save and exit the configuration file. Create a shell script to send alerts to Telegram when an error occurs. Add the necessary curl command in the script using the bot token and chat ID. Ensure the script checks for new errors in the Nginx error log. Set executable permissions for the script by running chmod +x your -script-name.sh. Schedule the script to run at regular intervals using cron jobs. Open the cron tab editor by running cron tab E. Add a new line to check the error log every minute. Save and exit the cron tab editor. Test the setup by intentionally causing an Nginx error. Monitor your Telegram group for the error alert. Adjust the script as necessary to refine the alerts based on your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.